Okay, go for it. Yeah, go for it. Should be okay.
Okay, cool.
I mean, I'll do what I can.
Alright, I'm gonna turn the AC off.
Yeah, go for it. Yeah. Well, I'm glad you're putting the arm to use. Like, yeah, like this arm thing to use.
Wow.
Yeah, let's see. It doesn't feel that great.
No, this feels a lot worse than last time.
Look, that's what I'm saying. Yeah. Look,
Wow.
Yeah. So that's why I was like, yeah, like, I don't want to drive it. Careful, man. Careful, man. I don't want to die today. I'd rather hit an uphill section than a downhill section.
Yeah.
Yeah. Out of all things. Yeah, I'd rather hit uphill than downhill.
I do need to adjust my seat anyways a little
Okay,
bit.
go for it. It's fine.
This, and then... Ah, that's why. I'm used to this.
Well, of course, yeah, the magic button. Yeah, no. Yeah, but you're feeling that, right? Like, it doesn't feel that great.
No, something's wrong. The brakes are... a lot of things are wrong, I should say.
Yeah, yeah, that's why I was like, this feels hella funny. See, I'm somewhat of a technical car guy, I guess you could say. Yeah,
Well, yeah.
The car.
A driver.
Yeah, there you go, driver. There you go.
You don't need to know too much about cars to be a good driver. It does help to understand when you're tuning and everything, but just getting in the car, just a random car like this, what you do, it's... Being an encyclopedia won't help you be a good driver. Right? Everyone can know all the knowledge. We all know that person that can just rule out all the statistics of their favorite cars.
With lack of like hands-on experience, pretty much.
Yeah.
Yep. That's what it comes down to.
Like, isn't the point of cars to drive?
Yeah, then. I'm just kidding.
Ouch.
Actually, out of all of them, Francis.
Right.
Out of all of them, I would disrespect him the most. I really would.
Alright, since this is going to be a video, I'm not going to name any names.
Oh, okay. Sorry. I thought we're just chilling.
Oh, no. It's, I mean, I can just blur out anything.
Fuck! Sorry, you gotta blur out that one.
Hey, I went to, from Sony Vegas, which is the free soft... Whoa, okay, Owl. What is this, Assassin's Creed? Alright.
Wait, I thought that was a Falcon.
Was it?
Yeah, like he fucking punched that shit hella hard.
Okay, see, I'm not a bird guy. I don't really... I wouldn't know.
It's okay, Encyclopedia, they actually teach you that.
Yeah, so not being an encyclopedia will be bad if you're a bird guy.
What? I've always thought bird is the word.
Not for me, apparently. I can't tell the difference between a falcon and an owl.
Well, you know what they're gonna know is, falcon, you know, like it punches.
It does.
Whatever, you horizontal spinning rat.
Thanks.
Yes, what's off about the Subaru this time, like, from what you're feeling at least?
It just feels very wobbly, like nothing's planted in the front.
Yeah,
like when I'm braking into the corner, like it's good, it rotates, but everything just feels super loose, and I'm not talking about the light steering either.
Damn, dude, keeping this camera is pretty hard and stable.
It's difficult to keep it stable.
Yeah.
Welcome to my world. And imagine without the mount and just having it handheld.
Well, that's definitely not a me problem. That's a you problem.
Yeah, that is a 100% me type problem.
Yeah, it's literally a type R problem.
Yeah, R type of problem. Oh yeah, and also the suspension, right? Like even when we went through those straightaways in that high-speed straightaway, it just kept bottoming out. So I do think the damper is
fucked up.
The damper is out.
Oh god. Are you lucky?
Dude, I wouldn't be able to.
No, you would. Yeah, for sure. Yeah,
It's such a small animal.
Yeah, I wouldn't blame you for hitting him anyways. Yeah, it just happened to be there the wrong time.